make money work for you, make love work for you, you don't work for them. हम thoughts को बुलाते हैं, उनको बिठाते हैं, चाय पिलाते हैं. It's like entertaining your thoughts. I just had a crush on one guy, so I was just using law of attraction for that. I really want to help people to be more self-aware about them. पता मैं एक बात बोलूँ, ये सारा जब अपलोड हो जाएगा ना, लोगों ने ना मुझे तांत्रिक वगैरह डिक्लेयर कर.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Human Book by Shirt Up Sharma. Today we have Palak Arora as our guest. Palak और मैं, we are from the same school. In fact, हमारी classrooms एकदम साथ में होते थे, but we never got to talk to each other. और फिर जाके +1 में we were in the same class and I know her since then. मुझे जितना पलक के बारे में पता है, she is an amazing dancer. She is a certified Zumba instructor. She loves to read and she writes very well. पलक, let's start with your introduction. जो भी लोग ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, उनको एक brief introduction दे दे.
Okay, so hi, I'm Palak and I'm doing nothing basically right now because I had a plan for a business setup, but Corona happened. So I'm doing nothing. I'm done with my MA English though, and I am applying for the PhD in literature. So that was the plan plus the business. But Corona have actually put everything on hold right now. So I am not working on anything else but myself, which is the best thing, I guess.
True.
So yeah. So that is the only thing I'm doing right now. I'm taking some dance classes on Zoom.
Yeah.
So yeah. Reading a lot, writing a lot. That is it.
तो पलक, पहले बात करते हैं लॉकडाउन की. तो लॉकडाउन में क्या-क्या चेंजेस आए और क्या-क्या नई चीजें सीखी?
See, lockdown, I would say initially I am a very outgoing person. I go out with friends a lot, and it is difficult for me to sit at home. It gets very annoying for me. So initial days were very, what is happening? Why is this happening? I don't want to be stuck inside home. And after every 10 days, I used to have a breakdown that I want to go out.
Okay.
So I don't want to stay inside. I feel locked up. What is happening? And that was the problem. But as the situation, I guess the days went off, as the time passed, I started feeling comfort in my own company, I would say, because everyone was having their breakdown points, I would say. Some people were talking, they're like, I was not in a constantly contact with my friends because everybody was going through their own tough times, businesses, and they were stuck at home because this is very abnormal. This never happens. Even introverts have a choice to go out. We never, we didn't even had a choice to go out. We were forced to sit at home. So yeah, I would say now also, because as I'm not into any business, so I am not going out much, like hardly once in 10 days or something. I am still in a lockdown phase only. Many people are. But I got a hang of it. I got a hang of it when I started reading, when I started writing a lot. Then I got a hang of it. Then I started exploring myself, learning new things, taking workshops online. Many things happened. I actually took a workshop from teacher who, I am a biggest fan of that woman, Prerna Nepali, and she's Pune based.
Okay.
So I never, it was not possible to take proper classes from her because only the workshops get arranged, and that too she mostly takes it in Delhi. So I was very happy to have one-on-one session with her on WhatsApp. So I got a hang of lockdown. So I feel very, now I would say I've grown up a lot in this phase. If you start exploring yourself, I guess you'll come on to a very stable point up in your head, because there is so much of negativity, so much of fear around in the air, around the people. I used to wake up and check how many cases now there are. It was like that every day. So there is so much of fear, negativity, and if we'll overcome this thing, I guess you will overcome everything in your life if we get through this.
True.
Personally also, I feel.
So are you enjoying this lockdown?
I am enjoying it to the fullest now.
Nice.
Yeah.
So you talked about taking some workshops. So what are these workshops all about?
Initially, I was taking workshops of dancing only.
Hmm.
So I was learning twerking. I was
Okay.
learning belly dancing. I was like the
Hmm.
half of the classes was just continued. I
Okay.
was learning earlier, so they were just continued. But yeah, I did started twerking. I was
Okay.
learning from Prerna itself,
Okay.
and then I am taking some workshops regarding the spirituality and your own mindset. So I've
Okay.
been taking some chakra related to your chakras, and I have been taking EFT classes, which is emotional freedom tapping. So
Okay.
all along these lines, and then there are like master classes available online only. You
Hmm.
can there are certain which are free, and there are certain which are paid, like
Okay.
not for much amount. So I have
Okay.
purchased those also. I have taken those also.
Hmm.
So yeah, just exploring the spirituality, I guess.
So, could you please elaborate on that EFT part? What is that?
EFT. So EFT is emotional freedom tapping.
Okay.
Like as we grow up, like our mind and our life have certain patterns that
Okay.
we I would say we live through those patterns in our
Hmm.
life. We keep on repeating all those patterns and everything, and then
Hmm.
we have this one complaint. उसने ऐसा क्यों किया मेरे साथ?
Ah.
Friend, your
Yeah.
partner,
Yeah.
or your parents, anybody.
Hmm.
उसने ऐसे क्यों किया? अच्छा अब ये आया या आई, इसने भी यही किया, मेरे साथ तो होता ही यही है.
Hmm.
So we always have this kind of complaint.
Yeah.
But what I learned through this 1.5 year, it's been 1.5 years since I've been exploring all these things. It's
Okay.
not them, but it's your own energies and it's your own beliefs that
Yeah.
uh, reflects in your life. So
True.
basically,
True.
I believe a lot in vibrations. And when we
Okay.
talk about vibrations, vibrations are something. It's like in layman language, I would say like attracts like.
Okay.
Happiness attracts happiness.
Yeah.
Sadness attracts sadness. The more you're sad inside, the more
Hmm.
sadness you'll get from life. The
Yeah.
more you're satisfied inside, the more that satisfaction you'll get from your life.
Yeah.
So basically, when you feel that you deserve this only, you sometimes you it gets inherited in your head that you deserve these things only in your life, and
Yeah.
you'll start attracting those things in your life, and then you're like uski galti hai.
Yeah.
But actual में उसकी गलती नहीं होती है, ये आपके पैटर्न्स होते हैं, आपकी एनर्जीज होती हैं, आपकी वाइब्रेशंस होती हैं. कभी
Yeah.
कभी आप बोलते नहीं हो, you
Hmm.
don't say those words loud, but your energies speak a lot. Everything is energy around us.
Yeah.
He is also operating in on energy, the person in front of us, so they will attract that kind of energy and they will behave in that manner only. So
Yeah.
emotional freedom tapping is something which heals you in these things, which break
Hmm.
down the patterns, which
Hmm.
it's like basically tapping on your certain body parts with two of your fingers.
Okay.
And the teacher, like the one who is making you go through this journey, the one
Hmm.
who is helping you through this, she'll talk to you first,
Okay.
like what are the problems, what do you feel,
Hmm.
where you are stuck. You have to see. I have attended a lot of sessions. I have been to a therapist also. I have attended these kind of things also. One
Hmm.
thing which I have learned is you got to be aware of your problems,
Yeah.
and if you're not aware, they
Hmm.
make you aware, then you have to be accepting about it. You can't
Yeah.
rebel against it.
Okay.
If you are not acceptable about it, you cannot change it. You
True.
can't. So it's just that she will ask certain questions from me,
Hmm.
and which they'll make you go through your life. What is the problem that is reoccurring again and again? One
Okay.
certain area of your life you are having complaints about.
Hmm.
Like some people have complained, मेरा career नहीं set होता. Some have
Yeah.
the basic मेरे को कोई commitment नहीं देता.
Hmm.
Normal things
Yeah.
of people. So they try to identify those areas in your life, and then it's about, they'll start reciting some phrases.
Okay.
They'll make you go through the that journey. Like uh, for an example, if you say that you feel that you are not able to earn good amount of money even though you're putting a lot of hard work in it, that is the problem.
Okay.
So sometimes what happens is we,
Hmm.
as a kid, we see a lot of struggle. Our fathers or our people around us, maybe in some close family,
Hmm.
fathers, friends, some instances happen that
Hmm.
gets ingrained in our mind, and
Okay.
sometimes we feel that um ऐसे मनी नहीं आएगी हमें, हार्ड वर्क से नहीं आएगी, स्मार्ट वर्क से आएगी, और हम हार्ड वर्क कर रहे हैं तो नहीं आने वाली। या
ओके।
मतलब कुछ कुछ चीजें हम सेट कर लेते हैं अपने ना माइंड में, और वो क्या होता है, सबकॉन्शियस माइंड बहुत स्ट्रांग है, कॉन्शियस माइंड कुछ भी नहीं है जिससे हम डिसीजन लेते हैं, सबकॉन्शियस माइंड इज वेरी स्ट्रांग, एंड सबकॉन्शियस माइंड फिर वही पैटर्न्स आपको फॉलो करवाता है. So basically, she'll just start reciting the verses and will make you tap through that with these two fingers on your forehead, on your like eyes, on your neck, on your shoulders, like these. And she'll start like, I am breaking these patterns. I deserve the money. I'll get the money through whatever I'll do, whichever work I'll do. So it's basically like that. And it's I personally suggest to take continuous sessions of that, at least 2 or 3 days a week. One session is not going to make is not going to break all the patterns in life, I would say. Because there is so much, because we bring the past karmic things also, which we are not even aware about. So yeah, which we are not even aware about, because subconsciously sometimes some things start happening to us, like since a very little age, I would say. If like even जैसे ना जैसे ही मतलब मेरी सिस्टर, आई एम वेरी वेरी अटैच टू माय सिस्टर. पहले डिस्क्लेमर दे देती हूँ, बहुत अटैच हूँ, बट स्टिल आई ऑलवेज हैड दिस प्रॉब्लम. कभी कभी जैसे बीच में हो जाती है भी, व्हाई आर यू पैम्परिंग हर, मेरे को पैम्पर करो बस. she will also pamper me. तो मेरे घर का ना अभी सिस्टम ही ऐसा हो चुका है, इवन दो शी इज 5 years younger to me, वो भी मुझे पैम्पर करती है, क्योंकि मैंने जिद कर करके ना वो चीज करवा दी हुई है अपने घर में. तो क्या होता है, कभी कभी ना वो छोटे होते से, जब मुझे किसी चीज की सेंस भी नहीं थी, तो क्या होता है, समटाइम्स वी ब्रिंग द पास्ट लाइफ थिंग्स इनटू दिस लाइफ. मे बी I didn't got much love in my past life, or I had these issues then and there, though that karmic reasons, and I bought into these lives, and we just get so fixed upon those things that we don't think ahead. We keep on thinking, and then obviously there is a lot, I would say, in our generation there are a lot of abandonment issues, which could be due to breakups, which could be because of the bad friendships, I would say. So there are a lot of abandonment issues also. So those issues need to be addressed, I guess, for regularly, till the time you start loving yourself. You really start loving yourself. It's not that you feel, okay, मैं अच्छा लग रहा हूँ, मेरी photo अच्छी आ रही है, I'm standing in front of a mirror and I'm praising myself. That is not loving yourself at all. So loving yourself is loving yourself in every aspect of your life, whether it's relationship, whether it's money, career, your further life, your past life, everything about yourself, even the things you have not been very proud to do, for those things also you have to love yourself. So I guess till the time you don't feel that you deserve the best, you deserve it, just because you just deserve it. There is no reason to that. People can't come and say you don't deserve this. You just deserve it. That is all about it. And it's very strange. Even I have gone through this phase. So I guess it's very strange. We have been born out of love. Love is inside us. Then also we don't feel love for ourselves. So if we'll not feel love for ourselves, nobody is going to love us like that. Nobody. So that's where the relationship problems also come, where we put other people on pedestal and we are not at pedestal. Make money work for you, make love work for you. You don't work for them, because put yourself on pedestal, I would say.
True.
So all these workshops are about these kind of things.
तो जितना मुझे समझ आया, that it makes you more self-aware, and मतलब is it somewhat similar to guided meditation?
No. Meditation is a very small part of all these things. Guided meditation, I would say, meditation is one of the most essential part of healing yourself. It controls your head. The most problematic thing, I would say, in humans is, in me also, that so many thoughts come up in your head. और मेरा तो ऐसा है, मेरा दिमाग इतना चलता है, इतना ज़्यादा thoughts आ ही जाएंगे. The problem with us is, क्या होता है, हम थॉट्स को बुलाते हैं, उनको बिठाते हैं, चाय पिलाते हैं. इट्स लाइक एंटरटेनिंग योर थॉट्स, ऑल द नेगेटिव्स एंड पॉजिटिव्स. आओ बैठो, हम बात करते हैं. मतलब वी डू लाइक दिस, but we don't have to do this. There are unwanted guests. Let them just pass. We'll not open the door of our house for anybody passing through the road, na. but we do that with thoughts.
With the
That
thoughts.
is overthinking.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is what we call overthinking. We'll entertain every thought. So
Yeah.
we just have the meditation is for that. That let your thoughts just pass. Let them just go. They are coming, they are going, and as soon as you take control over this, na, see, positive people are not all the time positive. Positive people are just the people who don't let the negativity reside in them for a very long period.
Yes.
So it's not that I don't get negative thoughts. I get like a lot of negative thoughts, but I just let them be. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. So meditation is something which helps you to, which makes you more self-aware, which which helps you to gain control over your conscious mind, so that we can start operating with our subconscious mind, which is way powerful than our conscious mind. So guided meditation is something which is when you start meditating, guided meditation helps you a lot, because you really don't know what is the process to meditate, and sometimes just music se dhyan idhar udhar ho jata hai. So guided meditation is because of that, so that you can know what you have to do. Otherwise, when you come into a certain say, some people do guided meditation even for long years, but I personally have left guided meditation, because now I feel just like I have the power of my own voice, I would say. So you get when you get the power of your own voice, you don't need anybody to guide you through it. And one thing which I learned from my teacher also, she's Ludhiana based only, and Divyam Payal. So one thing I learned from her, that meditation is not like sitting, closing your eyes. That is not. Sometimes meditation is writing also. Like I write a lot. I write a lot. It's like getting everything out and then coming at peace. That is also meditation. Dancing is also meditation. Whatever, just stop your thoughts. Whatever just makes you happy in the present moment, that is meditation.
Whenever you are totally into something, that's meditation for you. It's as simple.
When you stop thinking.
So are you saying that if I go for, say, a couple of EFT sessions, then I'll be able to practice it on my own after that? Okay.
So with whosoever you learn the EFT session, they send you the recordings also, the recordings of the EFT sessions. So you can practice those recordings as many as time as you want to. And sometimes when you are tapping, you are going through those places, you get to know certain things also, which is like, is there. And you're not able to, like the blocks, I would say, the blocks which are there. So as the more you'll practice, the more you'll get to know your own self, the more you'll get to know your own blocks that you have built inside your head. So if I can say, if I talk about myself, I've always, my thing which I like, because I have nobody's else example, so I would just say my first problem came up that I have a lot of like, I'm not sure about myself. I'm not sure about my own worth. So the first thing which came up into the session was this problem. So then it starts coming up, what else is there, why I don't feel worthy, why I feel people can't trust me, or why I can't trust people.
You keep going deep
some
into
experiences deep into that, and then you let go of your सब. क्या होता है अभी ये एज में ना, हमें एक ही चीज याद आती है, जो प्यार में धोखा मिला होता है, बस मैंने देख लिया है, मुझे भी सबसे पहले यही था, दिस इज द ओनली प्रॉब्लम. बट ये प्रॉब्लम कुछ भी नहीं होती है लाइफ में, कुछ भी नहीं होती. it's basically some things which is related to your family also. Some which the relationship with your mother, the relationship with your mother and father, the surroundings which we grew up in is very important, I would say. And you get through those things, and that is when you start breaking those barriers and start removing the blocks, when you go deep into that. So initially sometimes I would say relationships also कईयों की बहुत बहुत ज्यादा ले लेते हैं मन पे, दिल पे, वो प्रॉब्लम भी होती है, नो डाउट. बट यू हैव टू, आई वुड से, पजल सॉल्व होती जाती है और सोल्यूशन मिल जाता है. यू फाइंड योर ओन पिक्चर आफ्टर सॉल्विंग द पजल, आई वुड से.
ये स्पिरिचुअलिटी जर्नी स्टार्ट किए हुए तुझे अराउंड 1.5 years हो चुके हैं. So what made you start this? What made you start your spiritual journey?
Very funny story, I would say. मेरे व्हाट्सएप पे एक वीडियो आई थी जस्ट 1 मिनट की, और मैं कभी व्हाट्सएप वीडियोस नहीं खोलती, कभी भी नहीं।
खासकर
बट
फैमिली ग्रुप्स वाली।
हाँ, और भेजी भी पापा ने ही थी, आई वुड बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट। बट उस टाइम क्या था, मैं चंडीगढ़ में थी एंड आई वाज मैं एग्जाम के लिए जा रही थी, मेरा पर्ल का एंट्रेंस था।
ओके।
तो मैं वहां पे जा रही थी एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाट मेड मी ओपन दैट वीडियो, बट आई डिड, आई स्टिल डोंट रिमेम्बर। सो इट्स लाइक व्हाट नाउ आई हैव लर्न। अब अगर इस बारे में मैं सीख चुकी हूँ, तो पीपल ऑफन से दिस इज योर ओन calling. When you need it, you get it in your life
Yeah,
sometimes, you know. So
yeah.
that is, I guess, which made me open that video.
Hmm.
So they were talking about law of attraction,
Oh,
and I was never aware about law of attraction. Very
okay.
illiterate of me,
हाँ,
but I was never aware the law of attraction क्या होता है, कैसे होता है। और
hmm,
मैं इतना सोचती भी नहीं थी इन चीजों के बारे में। मेरे को
hmm,
बहुत फैसिनेटिंग लगा, इट वाज जस्ट अ वेरी फैसिनेटिंग कॉन्सेप्ट भी ऐसा होता है। देन मैंने यूट्यूब पे सर्च किया रात को वापस घर आके,
हाँ,
एंड बस सर्च करके मैं भूल गई। सो
okay.
ऑलमोस्ट 4-5 months passed, मतलब इट वाज लाइक जुलाई अगस्त में बात हुई होगी, और
Hmm,
सडनली नेक्स्ट ईयर जनवरी में मेरे को जस्ट यूट्यूब सजेशन आया अबाउट
hmm,
अ पर्सन कॉल्ड एरन डॉटी।
okay.
So I just started exploring his channel, and then Ariko came into picture. I started exploring his channel, Leor Alexandra,
Hmm,
many people. And
hmm,
then I started getting into this. Initially, it was all about law of attraction. Then it came to meditation. Then it came to
hmm,
parallel dimensions. Then it
hmm,
came to quantum physics, whatnot. It was so much. There is so much of, I would say, abundance, and there I am still learning. This is never ending knowledge. I get
okay.
to know different things every day.
Yeah.
There is so much to know.
Hmm,
So yeah, that is how it all started. And very honestly, I just had a crush on one guy, so I was just using law of attraction for that. So I just started exploring because of that.
so did
Then
it
I forgot
work?
about that guy.
Okay.
No, I forgot about the guy. I got so engrossed, like I got so much in those
Hmm,
things only. I totally forgot about him.
हाँ. But did you
So
thank
it,
him
it was there.
for just letting you get into your spiritual journey?
No, no, I don't owe it to him. I was like, okay, bye.
हाँ. तो
But yeah,
अगर कोई कोई बंदा ऐसी वीडियो देख रहा है और he knows nothing about spirituality, तो अगर कुछ
yeah.
चीजें बतानी हो कि how has spirituality helped you so far in your life, तो उसको क्या बोलना चाहिए?
So when I came across these things, I was very much into, I was in depression, and I was having the continuous panic and anxiety attacks that I had to go on the medication also. Like I couldn't go out of my home without having my pills, because
Okay.
anxiety used to pop up anywhere, like unwanted guests. So I always used to carry the pills with me.
Hmm,
So I was seeking help though. I was
hmm,
going to a therapist,
hmm,
and I was getting better also, no doubts about it. But
hmm.
spirituality is something which helps you through it a lot. You start knowing yourself. The very important part, you come out of your victim mentality.
Yeah.
I would say spirituality is something which makes you accept certain things,
Hmm,
which about yourself, and you really come out of the victim mentality. I mean,
okay.
I also had a story, and I used to carry it forward with all the people, with all the situations, that I have been in depression, I have been suicidal, this, that, ye, wo. But
Hmm,
the thing is, सबके साथ होता है. जस्ट बिकॉज हम क्लिनिकली टेस्टेड हैं, इसका
hmm.
मतलब ये नहीं है दूसरा परेशान नहीं
Yeah.
है. And also I am seeing that some people are coming forward saying, even I said it
Hmm,
in on my Insta story,
hmm.
that when you say that you are there, just be
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
Don't leave amidst of all the chaos when you are helping a certain person. But then I would also
Hmm.
like to add one thing:
Okay.
people can't take responsibility of of you. You have to get out of it at your own. They
Yeah.
can be there, but they
Yeah.
are not responsible for it. They are not responsible for the solution. If you
True.
can't help yourself, I'm sorry, but nobody can help you if you can't help yourself. If you're going to
Hmm,
get,
hmm,
if you're going to get stuck in the victim mentality, you're
hmm.
going to take it forward throughout your life.
Okay. I don't know if I've ever gone through depression. मतलब मुझे लगता है कि I have, लेकिन I don't know. लेकिन
Yeah,
if someone is actually suffering from depression, उसके लिए मुश्किल नहीं होता होगा कि victim mentality छोड़नी, because
होता
that
है.
chemical imbalance is making him or her do that.
That is where spirituality helps, I would say. Even like it's getting into a victim mentality, blaming other people is a part of depression, is a part of being stuck into that labyrinth, I would say. It's a part of that.
Okay.
So spirituality helps you through that because it heals you from inside. It actually tells you that it is you who are making these things happen in your life. So I read it somewhere. Even if you say law of attraction is not working, it is still working. It is working in a negative way because you're negative about it.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. So if you're saying it's not working, like you know you want to have something in your life, but you're like law of attraction लगाया थोड़ी देर तक, but नहीं मिला, ठीक है. बट उसके बाद ये चीज आ गई मन में, ये ऐसा वर्क नहीं करता, तो वो नहीं वर्क करेगा बिकॉज आपने बोल दिया वो नहीं वर्क करता. तो वो कॉन्टिन्यूसली वर्क कर रहा होता है. बट हाँ, कईयों के लिए पॉजिटिवली बिकॉज वो पॉजिटिव होते हैं, और जिनको पता नहीं होता या जो बोलते हैं नेगेटिव है, वो तब भी वर्क कर रहा है, तो वो नेगेटिव वे में वर्क कर रहा है आपके. तो इस चीज में, ये सारी सिचुएशन में spirituality बहुत हेल्प करती है because it you get self aware, you know, you start taking responsibility for your own self, for your own sufferings, because at the end of the day, even though we have family, we have friends, we have people around us, but we have come alone, we have to go alone. You have to take the responsibility of your own self, and you have to get through your problems. It's like even if you're on a wheelchair now, I would say you need to at least ask somebody भी chair आगे चला दो. बोलोगे तो कोई चलाएगा, कोई अपने आप नहीं आएगा अगर आप चल भी नहीं पा रहे. I would say if the situation is that worse mentally, so then also you have to ask somebody, but then बोलोगे, कुछ करोगे, खुद इनिशिएटिव लोगे तो कुछ होगा ना. कोई एकदम से नहीं आएगा. So I would say people are there to hold your hand, to sometimes to make you go through the big obstacles, but you have to go through all that on your own, and that is where the spirituality comes. And the best part is, if someone, अगर कोई कुछ भी नहीं कर पा रहा, तो सबसे पहले मेडिटेट करना स्टार्ट करे. मैं बहुत सजेस्ट करती हूँ. आई गेस एवरीबडी शुड नो हाउ टू मेडिटेट. एवरीबडी शुड मेडिटेट when they are thinking nothing, and when they are just on hold. I would say they're just at peace for 10 minutes in their life. And if it's difficult for them to close their eyes, and you know, some people are not able to do it. Even I was not able to do it in the very beginning. So I would say meditation is everything. Find that 10 minutes to do that certain thing which helps you to stop everything else in the life. And even if you're dancing, it's not dancing on the beach. Like, I'll tell you one thing, I dance just for the love of dancing. जब कैमरा सामने आ जाता है, भी वीडियो बना के अपलोड होनी है, I just lose it all. I'm like, shit, I can't be in compulsion. So it's like, just have those 10 minutes. Even if you are in gym, there is no body 10 मिनट से कोई बॉडी खराब नहीं होती है, वो सब माइंड में होता है. 10 मिनट आपको अगर जिम लगाना है ना, तो आप बिना कुछ सोचे समझे जिम लगाओ. कोई सर्टेन सेट ऑफ रूल्स नहीं, कोई आपका वो स्केड्यूल नहीं, कुछ नहीं. यू जस्ट गेट इनटू दैट जोन. You know, anything, writing, dancing, cooking, whatever, without following any set of rules about those anything. That is also meditating, I would say. And then when you start getting hang of it, I would really say to, you know, start really meditating, you know, when you're closing your eyes and thinking in that peaceful scenario. And then if not even this, and then you have no interest also in your life, बिकॉज बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग होते हैं विच से हमारे पास कोई एस्केप नहीं है. उनके पास तीसरा ऑप्शन आता है. हम फॉर ऑल द, आई वुड से, बिकॉज वी बिलोंग टू इंडिया इज वेरी रिच इन रिलीजियस एस्पेक्ट्स. So in every religion, whether it's Hinduism, Sikhism, any religion, I would say, we all have certain chants जो हमें स्कूल में भी सिखाए गए थे. गायत्री मंत्र, वो आप कंटिन्यूसली 108 108 बारी वो बोलना स्टार्ट कर दो. 11 बारी 12 बारी, जब 15 20 30 पे आओगे, 30 तक आपका माइंड इधर उधर रहेगा. 30 तक 40 तक, बट एक पॉइंट पे आके 108 108 है, आपका माइंड आ जाएगा जब आप सिर्फ वो बोलने पे कंसंट्रेट कर रहे होगे। तो एक ऑप्शन ये भी है, इफ यू हैव नथिंग एटलीस्ट डू दिस। और आई गेस बीसीएम वाले बच्चों को तो बहुत मंत्र आते हैं बहुत सिखाए हुए हैं हमें,
बहुत ज्यादा
हमें बहुत मंत्र सिखाए हैं, कुछ भी बोल लो, देयर आर मेनी शांट्स। ओम इज द बिगेस्ट, लाइक I would say the best chant. It's everything. Just Om सबको बोलना आता है।
और बहुत अच्छा फील होता है एक बार अगर हम करते भी हैं ना।
Vibrations बहुत अच्छी होती है।
सही में
Yeah.
सही में
Energy changes। और अगर आपको 10 मिनट भी नहीं मिल रहे हैं लाइफ में, आप उसमें बहुत बिजी हो, you can't get 10 minutes also। फिर जब आप सोने लगो, जब लिटरली सोने लगो, फोन साइड पे रख के, सबसे बातें करके, सब कुछ करके, गेम्स खेल के, रीडिंग करके, जो भी करते हैं, आप सोने वक्त फोन पे ओम प्ले कर लो एंड जस्ट स्लीप। एटलीस्ट यूल मेडिटेट 2 minutes 3 minutes 4 minutes सोने से पहले, जब आप लिटरली यू गो इनटू दैट स्लीपिंग जोन, व्हेन योर माइंड एक्चुअली कम्स इनटू, आई वुड से, अ थीटा स्टेट। तो उससे पहले क्या होता है, एंड दिस इज अनदर वेरी ब्यूटीफुल कॉन्सेप्ट अबाउट आवर माइंड, व्हिच इज अल्फा बीटा एंड थीटा स्टेट। सो इवन जो थीटा स्टेट होता है वो हमारा ऑलमोस्ट स्लीपिंग स्टेट होता है, ऑलमोस्ट, नॉट कंप्लीटली। जब हम ऑन एंड ऑफ नींद में आ रहे होते हैं ना, तो उस टाइम की मेडिटेशन बहुत हेल्पफुल होती है। तो अगर कोई टाइम नहीं मिलता, कुछ नहीं मिलता, तो बेस्ट है आप ओम चलाओ और सो जाओ। अगर आपको 10 मिनट भी नहीं मिल रहे और आप बोलना भी नहीं चाह रहे, शांत भी नहीं करना चाह रहे, एटलीस्ट सुन तो सकते हो, एक बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक तो सुन सकते हो। तो वो आपको बहुत अच्छे से आप सोओगे, फिर आप उस चीज का इम्पैक्ट ना अगले दिन मॉर्निंग आपको फील होगा, यू वेक अप वेरी पॉजिटिव। और इससे ज्यादा ऑप्शंस नहीं हो सकते।
मेरे हिसाब से ना बिगिनर्स के लिए बेस्ट है, मतलब 2 मिनट तो हर बंदा निकाल ही सकता है। एंड स्पीकिंग फ्रॉम माय एक्सपीरियंस, इट गेट्स बेटर विद प्रैक्टिस। तो जब आप स्टार्ट करते हो मेडिटेट करना, स्टार्टिंग में मैं बताता हूँ, मतलब मेरा टारगेट था मुझे 1 घंटा प्रैक्टिस करनी है, मतलब मुझे 1 घंटा मेडिटेट करना है। और मैंने पहले दिन मैंने अलार्म सेट कर दिया कि 1 घंटे बाद ही उठूंगा मैं अपने घर के पूजा रूम में चला गया और आधे से ज्यादा टाइम मैं सोता रहा अपने पूजा रूम में जाकर। ऐसा होता है कि स्टार्टिंग में नहीं होगा, पहली बार में वो एक अच्छा सा एक सेशन नहीं हो पाएगा। हो सकता है आप सिर्फ 2 मिनट ही बैठ पाओ, हो सकता है सिर्फ 1 मिनट ही बैठ पाओ, लेकिन विद टाइम वो अच्छा हो जाता है। एंड मतलब मैंने किसी से सीखी नहीं है मेडिटेशन, लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे विद टाइम अपने आप ही अंदर से ही जो चीजें मुझे समझ आ रही हैं और अपने आप ही मैं इम्प्रूव कर रहा हूँ। मेरी मेडिटेशन की टेक्निक भी इम्प्रूव हो रही है अपने आप से, मुझे नहीं पता कैसे। तो एक बार बैठो, अपनी आईज क्लोज करो, फोल्डेड लेग्स के साथ अपनी बैठ जाओ, स्पाइन सीधी रखो, उसके बाद कुछ भी करो यार, दिमाग में कुछ भी आता है करो, लेकिन विद टाइम अपने आप आपको रास्ता दिखेगा। तो पलक, द ह्यूमन बुक पर हम लोग पूरी लाइफ के बारे में, अभी तक की जो लाइफ है उसके बारे में बात करने की कोशिश करते हैं। तो अपने बचपन के बारे में कुछ एक्सपीरियंसेस के बारे में बता।
Okay, I have been a very stubborn and very naughty kid, which I guess I still am. And I've been very ambitious. From very beginning, I've been very ambitious. But मुझे पता नहीं वो ambition का क्या हो रहा है अब life में, very honestly.
किसी को भी नहीं पता, किसी को भी नहीं पता।
हाँ.
And that's the beauty, and that's the beauty of it. That's the beauty.
Yeah. I mean, today is good. I'm happy today is good. I don't know if I'm going to wake up tomorrow or not. That is the best part of life. Bachpan, I have had a very happening and very dramatic life, I would say, full of drama, and I can make a like complete gossip girl out of my life, I would say. Ever since बचपन में भी बहुत dramatic life रही है, तो I have nothing much to say. I guess I've always been involved in dancing since I was a kid, participating, because I remember BCM में ऐसा होता था, पहले toppers day होता था, फिर उसके बाद अप्रैल में जब सेशन स्टार्ट होता था, एनुअल फंक्शन तो नवंबर में आता था, उसके बाद हमारी वेकेशन हो जाती थी, समर वेकेशन मई में कुछ नहीं होता, आते ही क्या होता था, उसके बाद वो इंडिपेंडेंस डे होता था, फिर एनुअल डे होता था, टॉपर्स डे अलग, एनुअल डे अलग, फिर उसके बाद कुछ ना कुछ और एग्जीबिशन आ जाती होती थी, जब हम याद है मॉडल्स बनाते होते थे क्लास बंक करके, फिर उसके बाद एनुअल फंक्शन आ जाता था, फिर बीच में फ्यूजन स्टार्ट हो गया, वो स्पोर्ट्स डे आने लग गए, सब कुछ। So I was was in each and every function I used to participate. I could not sit in the class. I could not. I just have to participate in every function. And I have like so many memories. So like BCM is something which is, I wish I could go back to that time because it has been
same.
so wonderful.
Yeah.
BCM have taught, the confidence, the like, I would say how to talk, how to behave. It have all been because of BCM. It have there's a certain charm. I'm being biased, and I'm sorry that I'm being biased, but I am biased about my school. It have given so much to me. So yeah, that has been all about my childhood. Everything other than that, I have been a very naughty kid. I have been very padhaku also.
Okay.
So yeah. And I used to hate him in +1, I remember. You we used to
Why?
have we used to have
Acha, I
we
used
used to
to.
have ego problems. Yeah, I am going to do this. I remember Bhupinder sir got us in one group, and I was like, I am not going to go do this way. And he's like, we are doing this, and I'm like, no.
Which
So
was this? Which was this project?
I remember हमने कुछ launch करना था और
I
हमने
think.
movie
I
launch
think.
करी थी, याद है?
And I was the. I
Okay.
wanted to be the lead. Uh, acha,
I was like, there was no problem regarding the lead, but you had some set of things in your head, and I was like, no, this is not good, this is good, and we used to have this clashes, and I was like,
yeah.
he's so arrogant. समझ
Now
नहीं
I.
गया है अपना. I remember
Now I remember.
complaining to
Now I remember.
yeah. I remember complaining to Abhishek and Gurjot. He's so
Okay.
arrogant and everything.
Okay.
And Abhishek was like, नहीं अच्छा लड़के पलक ऐसे नहीं करते होते.
नहीं I admit I have been like that. मतलब मेरा ना शुरू से ऐसा रहा है. I can't trust my team members. पता नहीं क्यों. मतलब तुझे याद होगा कि उस वक्त भी I used to मतलब मुझे ऐसा होता था कि मटेरियल मैं दूंगा यही बोल कि मतलब I have had this problem of delegating the work to my team members. ये शुरू से रहा है और and ये मेरी एक weakness है and मैं काफी टाइम से इस पर वर्क करने की बहुत टाइम से कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. लेकिन फिर भी वो कभी वो चीज आ जाती है. मतलब मुझे ऐसा होता है कि किसी भी चीज को अगर मैं लीड कर रहा हूँ तो हर चीज मेरे थ्रू ही होनी चाहिए. अगर मैं अपना चैनल पे कुछ कर रहा हूँ तो मैं एडिट भी मैं ही करूंगा, सब कुछ मैं ही करूंगा, किसी और को कुछ करने नहीं देना. तो यार उस वक्त I wouldn't have agreed with you, लेकिन
yeah it was about this problem only because I've always been a writer. भी मेरे को मेरा खुद लिखना है and he was like नहीं जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ वो बोला. I was like excuse me, ये तो मैंने अपनी मम्मा पापा की नहीं कभी सुनी. Who are you? Because I also always had this problem. I've never been a good listener. I'm working on that and I always like मेरी सुनो, मेरे according चलेगा सब. So now I've changed that. I do listen to other people. I have changed that. So I remember having this problem with Sharab a lot.
Okay.
So then I got over it.
Thank God. तो अभी बात करते हैं फैमिली की. कौन है फैमिली में और उनके साथ कैसा रिलेशनशिप है?
I have mom, dad, and my little sister. She's 5 years younger to me, but she's more of my mom than I am to her.
Okay.
So
you are technically the pampered kid in the whole family.
Very, very, I would say a spoiled brat, a complete spoiled brat. I want things according to myself. And if I don't get what I want, I'll throw a fit. I'll crib about it. I'll not talk to them till I get what I want. So everything goes according to me at my house. But then I would say, I believe it. I know the other people would not agree to this because I know that is how family goes, that I'm the most sensible one. They'll not agree, but I believe that I'm more sensible one. So I am very, very close to each and every member of my family. I would say I share a very close relation with my sister. It's like I mean, I have very important people in my life, like a lot, many of them, I would say, but still, I have been in that situation where I had nobody. But when I had nobody, I had my sister. I always have her. She always have my back. She have always seen me through my heartbreaks, telling me you are much better than these guys. You don't need to care about them and everything. She have always been there. She always will be there to, make me realize that how I am better than all the boys who have left me. So she's always there basically in all the kind of things, because
Okay.
I'm very emotional. I cry a lot, and I would say she's much stronger than me. So
Mm.
she's always there to take care. And then my mother is someone, I had my ups and downs with her when I was going through my depression wala phase. It
Mm.
was, but not now. I would say since very beginning, my mother is someone I don't hide anything from.
Okay.
Whether it's about a guy, whether it's about I found someone hot, whether I have a crush on somebody, I
Mm.
share each and everything with my mother.
Yeah.
And when it comes to my dad, I
Mm.
mean, like, I'm very open. Obviously, I don't go around talking about boys with my father, because obviously, being an Indian father, I'll
Mm.
always be a kid to him. But
हाँ.
yeah, I have that kind of relationship with my father where I can be like, मुझे ये चीज चाहिए और मुझे अभी चाहिए, and we'll be like, okay, beta, and we will bring that thing then and there
हाँ.
only.
Oh.
So I share a very sweet and bitter relation. I would say both kind. It goes both ways with
Mm.
family.
Mm.
So yeah, I'm attached to everybody, like anything.
Great. तो
Yeah.
पलक, जब हमने बात करनी थी इससे पहले
Hmm.
तूने स्पेसिफिकली मेंशन किया था कि that you want to talk about depression and suicide.
Yeah.
और
Yeah. Yeah.
लास्ट एक हफ्ते में एज यू ऑलरेडी नो कि बहुत ज्यादा बात हो चुकी है मेंटल हेल्थ के ऊपर, बहुत
Hmm.
लोग बात कर रहे हैं आफ्टर सुशांत सिंह राजपूत डेथ. और
Yeah. Yeah.
सो आई वांट टू आस्क यू, लाइक मुझे नहीं पता था, लाइक यू मेंशन्ड जब हमारी बात हो रही थी
Yeah.
कि
Yeah.
यू हैड बीन सफरिंग फ्रॉम डिप्रेशन सिंस 10th, and
Yeah. Yeah.
plus only we were in the same class and I had no clue that you were going through that. So what led to that depression?
Uh, I would say what led me through relationships,
Okay.
not a relationship, not specifically with the guy, I would say,
Mm.
but with friends also, and then obviously with the guy also.
Mm.
I would not like to mention a name or whatsoever, but yeah, पूरे BCM को पता था, तो सबको पता होगा मैं किसकी बात कर रही हूँ, वो भी नहीं है. So
Okay.
the thing is, I would say they were not the reason, they were just catalyst of my problem. It was, I guess, about my own self, that I could not trust myself. I used to feel very unworthy, and I
Okay.
could not achieve the things. Like, आई गो अकॉर्डिंग टू अ प्लान. मतलब ऐसा था, कॉलेज थर्ड ईयर तक मैं बहुत प्लान के अकॉर्डिंग चलती थी. भी ये
Okay.
प्लान है, ऐसे करना है, इसके बाद ये करना है, वो करना है. और
Mm.
जब वो प्लान इधर उधर हो जाते थे, आई यूज टू गेट सो डिप्रेस्ड, आई यूज टू गेट सो सैड दैट
Okay.
why things are not going according to the plan.
Mm.
And I used to feel very bad about it. I've always
Mm.
been, as I told, always been very ambitious. So
Yeah.
that, and I guess the fear of loneliness has always been there, that
Okay.
I don't want to have I don't want to be alone.
Yeah.
So if अगर मेरी किसी से लड़ाई हो जाती थी, ज्यादा चीजें माइंड पे ले लेनी, सब कुछ. So करते करते क्या होता है, यू डोंट, वन थिंग नेवर लीड्स टू डिप्रेशन. व्हाट आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड, मेरे को जितना पता है, वन थिंग नेवर लीड्स टू डिप्रेशन. इट्स लाइक,
Mm.
जब आप वो एक एक चीज करके वो चीज का पहाड़ बनता जाता है, तो वो
Mm.
डिप्रेशन का नाम एक आ जाता है उस पे. सो
Mm.
इवन टू गेट आउट ऑफ इट, यू हैव टू लेट गो नीचे से, बिल्कुल छोटी से छोटी प्रॉब्लम से, बिकॉज इट
Mm.
कीप्स ऑन. एक फ्रेंड का आप एक फ्रेंड, कोई भी एक फ्रेंड का आपको छोड़ना, फिर
Mm.
उसके बाद दूसरे का, तीसरे का, चौथे का, पांचवें का, जितना करते करते वो इतना पायलअप हो जाता है.
Yeah.
फ्रेंड्स हो गए, रिलेशनशिप हो गया, देन आपके पापा ने कुछ, आप माय फादर, आई वुड से, इट्स
Mm.
लाइक विद एवरी पंजाबी मैन, no offense to you also and to other people also, but they're very sharp on their tongue. I have seen this like in other households also.
Mm.
they're दिल के बुरे नहीं होते, but बहुत, they're very sharp on their tongue.
Yeah.
कुछ भी बोल देना, कर देना. तो
Mm.
आई एम अ वेरी सेंसिटिव किड. तो मेरे पापा भी कभी कुछ बोल देते थे, एंड ही इज अ लॉयर, तो उनको बहुत चीजें सुनने में बाहर से
Yeah.
आती थी. तो
Okay.
कुछ बोल देना या कुछ, आई यूज टू टेक अ लॉट ऑन मी. आई यूज टू टेक एवरीथिंग ऑन मी,
Okay.
विच वॉज लाइक, उनकी तरह से ये नहीं होता था तूने यही कर देना है या ऐसा कुछ हो जाना है,
Mm.
बट मैं अपने पे ले लेती थी. वो चीजें पाइल अप होती गई, देन माई
Mm.
ब्रेकअप.
Mm.
Even I would say my relationship also, because it
Okay.
was 7.5 year long relation.
Okay.
So growing up with someone,
Mm.
and then just leaving them, it's weird, because it's
Yeah.
like it's a lot. So I guess a part of it, a small part of it was that also, not completely or anything, but yeah, a small part of it. I've been overread and everything like is sorted in my head, but everything just piled up, everything led to those things. And
Okay.
I would like to say one thing when it comes to suicide. I have attempted it quite a number of times. क्या होता है suicide में क्या होता है, I'll tell you. Uh, because I got all numb hearing about Sushant Singh Rajput, there was a very personal reason, because I have felt it myself. It's just a 1 second trigger in your head. If there is someone to stop you, if there is a one thought which will lead you through other way, वो नहीं होता, वो वहीं रुक जाती है चीज.
Okay.
It's just a 1 second trigger. जब आपको आता है सब खत्म. Just a 1 second trigger.
Okay.
So I have been lucky. I love my life a lot. I don't regret it. I'm not ashamed of it. It is all a part of life. But now it's like I love my life a lot. I can't even think about it. But it's like that. So it's just that उस time situations ज़्यादा important हो जाती हैं आपके खुद से और life से, और वो सच में सिर्फ 1 second का trigger होता है. And if there's someone, अगर 1 second में वो call भी आ जाए ना किसी की, वो चीज़ रुक जाती है वहीं पे.
Okay.
It stops then and there. Message beep हो जाए, कोई notification कुछ हो जाए, वो 1 second trigger होता है, which takes away your life, I guess, if you choose to do it.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, I have been lucky to be saved also, because and then to stop also.
Yeah.
So yeah, so I would just say that about it's just so many things which may, and sometimes पता है क्या होता है, people are like, कभी कभी ना लोग ये चीज बोलते हैं, मानना है भी बहुत कुछ होना चाहिए तब भी डिप्रेशन होता है, बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स आनी चाहिए लाइफ में. ऐसा नहीं होता. आप जितना ज्यादा सोचते रहोगे, कभी कभी लोगों को करियर की वजह से डिप्रेशन हो जाता है. भी नहीं, हम कुछ कर नहीं पा रहे हैं लाइफ में, या कईयों को ज्यादा बर्डन से बढ़ाई के भी दे गो थ्रू दिस थिंग. और कभी कोई आपका बहुत बहुत क्लोज फ्रेंड से आपकी लड़ाई हो जाती है, तब आप वो एक सर्कल में फंस जाते हो. तो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है भी बहुत ज्यादा कुछ होना चाहिए तो डिप्रेशन होता है, या किसी का डिप्रेशन कम होता है, किसी का ज्यादा होता है. कोई आपको बोलेगा नहीं मैं डिप्रेशन में हूँ, और आप उससे पूछोगे अच्छा क्या हुआ आपके साथ, ये तो कुछ भी नहीं है. वो आपके लिए कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता, उसके लिए नहीं. तो इट्स नॉट भी बहुत कुछ होना चाहिए, छोटी छोटी चीजें leads you through that, because our mind is very tricky.
Yeah.
You really need to have control over it, I would say.
And when did you get to know that you are in depression, and when did you seek professional help?
Last year, when I when I stopped, like I was okay. I would say I was not suicidal, but then when things got little out of hand, there was certain situation. And things got little out of hand. I again started having those thoughts of ending my life, that I don't want to live and everything will. ये मतलब क्या होता है? It's like ऐसी चीज आती है दिमाग में कि सब रुक जाएगा. इतना कुछ चल रहा होता है, इतना कुछ हो जाता है माइंड में, इतने थॉट्स, इतनी सिचुएशंस जो होती भी नहीं है. मैं सच्ची बोलूं, वो बनती जाती है. हमारा दिमाग वो फ्रेगमेंट्स से फ्रेगमेंट्स आगे बनते जाते हैं. उस टाइम हमें बस एक फुल स्टॉप लगानी होती है, अभी बस रुक जाए के पॉइंट पे सुसाइड दिमाग में आ जाती है, आई वुड से. तो जब ऐसी सिचुएशन लास्ट ईयर हुई, आई हैड अ फ्रेंड and she was very close to me at that time. She was very close to me. So she had her own fair share of problems. She told me that you need a professional help. I was very casual about it. I was like, okay. I never took it in offense. I never rebelled against it, because I would like to say one thing here. Reading helps you to keep your mind open. I have always been very open-minded about these things. I've always known that seeking mental help is not like जो हमें बोला जाता है, मैं पागल थोड़ा हूँ, मुझे हेल्प नहीं चाहिए. लोग बहुत ऑफेंस ले लेते हैं. मेरे को लगता है सबको जाना चाहिए थेरेपिस्ट के पास. जैसे सब विटामिन खाते हैं ना, एवरीबॉडी टेक्स विटामिन सी, विटामिन ई. व्हाट आर यू गिविंग टू योर माइंड? तो सोते वक्त भी सोता नहीं है, तब भी चल रहा होता है. तो क्या दे रहे हो आप उसको? तो इसीलिए मेरे को लगता है सबको जाना चाहिए थेरेपिस्ट के पास, या कुछ ना कुछ करना चाहिए. तो शी टुक मी टू द थेरेपिस्ट, and from there everything happened last March, I would say. And I took therapy till Good, I would say 9-10 months I took a therapy. I used to
Okay.
have 2 sessions a week, then 1 session a week.
Hmm.
So yeah, it was it's difficult also. I
Okay.
would say to take therapy because you don't want to accept your own things in life. What is happening, what is not happening. You
Yeah.
don't want to accept. You don't want to talk.
Yeah.
I had this problem that I was not ready to talk only.
Okay.
I just couldn't talk. She had to make me talk
Yeah.
about things because I've always been having this I don't give a fuck. I am all
Hmm.
okay. I am all chill. I don't
Hmm.
care. And this is nothing. This phase will pass.
Hmm.
ऐसे करते करते मैंने बोल के this phase will pass, this phase will also
Hmm.
pass. I started finding my escape routes और वो चीजें pile up होती गई.
Hmm.
तो जब तो एक ब्रेकिंग पॉइंट आता है जब आपको लगता है भी जाना चाहिए थेरेपिस्ट के पास. और
Hmm.
आई गेस उस टाइम पे आई वाज लकी कि मेरे को
Hmm.
किसी ने बोला.
Yeah.
शायद मैं बहुत टाइम से जाना चाहती थी. मेरे को एक बस उसका एक बोलना यू
Hmm.
नीड टू गो टू अ थेरेपिस्ट एंड शी
Yeah.
टुक मी टू द थेरेपिस्ट वेरी ऑनेस्टली. सो
Yeah.
आई एम वेरी ब्लेस्ड वेरी लकी दैट आई ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू हैव ऑलमोस्ट 8-9 पीपल जो मेरे को हर थर्सडे 6 बजे फोन करते थे हाउ वाज योर
Wow.
सेशन.
Amazing.
आई वाज सो लकी इन दैट पॉइंट भी मेरे को वो पूछते थे हाउ वाज योर सेशन और इवन दो
Hmm.
दैट फ्रेंड मेरा उसके साथ कुछ मेरी लाइक वी हैड आवर ओन इश्यूज
Hmm.
एंड अब बात नहीं होती बट मतलब हमारी ऑन एंड ऑफ इश्यूज चलते रहते थे. तो अगर 3 महीने बाद भी बात होती थी तो पहली बात यही पूछती थी हाउ आर योर सेशंस गोइंग. So
Wow.
it's actually very beautiful when people actually ask that how are your sessions going and everything.
Yeah.
बट ठीक है अगर मैंने उनमें से किसी को बोला कि मैं भी थेरेपी लेनी चाहिए तो वो बोल देते हैं नहीं हमने नहीं लेनी हम ठीक है.
Okay. तो वही है कि हम लोग जैसे वही है सब लोग स्टोरीज पोस्ट करते हैं दैट वी आर देयर वी आर ऑलवेज अवेलेबल वी आर जस्ट अ कॉल अवे और एक्चुअल में यही है कि यू हैड दोज पीपल इन योर लाइफ एंड यू वर वेरी लकी टू हैव दोज पीपल इन योर लाइफ हु वर
Yeah, very
एक्चुअली देयर फॉर
grateful.
यू. या तूने बात की थोड़ी देर पहले प्यार में धोखा खाने की बात की.
Yeah.
व्हाट हैव योर हार्ट ब्रेक्स टॉट यू?
सी एक बहुत सिंपल सा रूल है लाइफ का. आई अबाइड बाय दिस रूल नाउ. हार्ट ब्रेक्स रोमांटिक रिलेशनशिप्स में भी होते हैं फ्रेंडशिप्स में भी होते हैं और मेरे दो पॉइंट पे बहुत एक्सट्रीम लेवल वाले हुए हैं जहाँ आई हैव कंसीडर्ड पीपल एज माय फैमिली वेदर इट वाज माय बॉयफ्रेंड और इट वाज माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड. That I've stopped calling people my best friend only. भी best friend बोल दो इन्होंने चले जाना है लाइफ से, which is obviously my own belief. मैं खुद वो एनर्जी अट्रैक्ट कर लेती हूँ बट याद देन अगेन तो प्यार में धोखा हुआ या दोस्ती में धोखा हुआ दोनों ही बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. तो दे हैव टॉट मी वन थिंग जो अभी शायद बहुत लोगों को ना इतना समझ ना आए. बहुत टाइम लगता है मेरे को बहुत टाइम लगा ये समझने में भी एवरीवन कम्स इनटू योर लाइफ फॉर अ रीजन and for a purpose. As soon as that purpose is completed, they will leave. They are bound to leave. So या तो आपका पर्पस होता है उनकी लाइफ में या उनका पर्पस होता है या दोनों का होता है. जैसे ही वो खत्म हो जाएगा उन्होंने चले जाना है.
Okay.
That is life and you have to accept it. You have to grow out of it and you have to nurture it also. You have to just let it be, let it go. And that is the point. And it takes a lot. For me, it took good 4.5 years to come out of my ex-boyfriend only. Where I was, learning all the things, even seeking professional help, everything. Still, इतना टाइम लग गया वो चीजों से. अभी भी कभी कभी मैं तो बोलूंगी चीजें दिमाग में चीजें आ जाती हैं. But then you have to make peace with it.
Yeah.
Because अगर क्या सीखना है मतलब ये चीज हमें लोग बोल देते हैं भी क्यों याद आ रही है या क्यों आ रहा है. अगर दोस्त है या बॉयफ्रेंड है गर्लफ्रेंड है कोई भी है जो आपकी लाइफ में एक टाइम पे इतना इम्पोर्टेंट रहा है इतना ज्यादा वो कैसे कभी चला जाएगा दिमाग या दिल से. कभी ना कभी दोस्त की याद आएगी बट वो कभी भी रोमांटिक फीलिंग नहीं होती है. वो कभी भी क्या कहते हैं फ्रेंड्स के टाइम पे वो नीड वाली फीलिंग नहीं होती है. वो जस्ट एक याद होती है वो अच्छे पल की. हाँ एक अच्छे पल की याद होती है तो उन्हें याद करो खुशी से और आगे बढ़ो. वही चीज होगी फिर थॉट्स पे बात आगे भी बिठा के एंटरटेन मत करो. आए हैं तो जाने दो. बस वो चीज आ गई और देन अगेन तो heartbreak have actually taught me a lot. For friendship, I got a very huge betrayal in the terms of friendship also. जो उस चीज ने भी मुझे बहुत सिखाया. तो ऐसा नहीं है गलती सिर्फ सामने वाले इंसान की होती है, गलती हमारी भी होती है. हम एक्नॉलेज नहीं करते, हम बिट्रेयल बोल देते हैं, बट शायद वो अगर आज बात करेंगे आपसे, आपको वो भी बिट्रेयल बोलेंगे कि हमें बिट्रेयल मिला. तो सिचुएशन का बिट्रेयल होता है और कुछ नहीं होता. And sometimes we are too young to understand the relations and we have to grow out of it. You can be young in your relation even at 30. So if you will be thinking at 35, you can say उस time पे नहीं मुझे ये चीजों का पता था. So you just have to let it go and accept जो आपसे गलतियां हुई हैं उनसे गलतियां हुई हैं. क्योंकि I guess एक चीज है, हम ना ऑफन क्या होता है फॉरगिव नहीं करते हैं, चीजें मन में रख लेते हैं, बट इंसान जो होते हैं ना उनकी गलतियों से बहुत बड़े होते हैं. तो हम उनको उनकी मिस्टेक से आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर सकते हैं. तो जब आप वो गुस्सा, वो सारी चीजें अपने मन से निकाल दोगे ना और एक ब्रॉडर एस्पेक्ट देखोगे उनको लेके, लोगों को लेके और खुद को लेके, तो आई गेस टाइम ही नहीं लगेगा चीजों से बाहर आने का. इट्स ऑल अप इन योर हेड. तो मुझे बहुत टाइम लगा ये समझने में, बट हाँ अगर कोई थोड़ा जल्दी समझ जाए तो उनके लिए बेटर होता है वो चीजें. तो यही है, चाहे मैं बोलती हूँ गंदे से गंदा ब्रेकअप क्यों ना हो जाए, गंदे से गंदे मेरी दोनों लाइक मेरे फ्रेंडशिप वाला पार्ट भी, जो मेरी 2 फ्रेंड्स थी, और मेरा रिलेशन वाला पार्ट भी बहुत अगली नोट पे एंड हुई चीजें. बट देन जैसे मर्जी चीजें अगली नोट पे भी खत्म हो ना, तो अगर इंसान ही नहीं रहा आपकी लाइफ में, तो वो गलतियों की इम्पोर्टेंस कैसे रख सकते हो आप लाइफ में. तो अगर वो इंसान ही नहीं रहा जो इतने इम्पोर्टेंट थे आपकी लाइफ में, वो इट कुड बी एनीवन, इट कुड बी समवन फ्रॉम योर फैमिली आल्सो, कोई भी हो सकता है. अगर वो ही नहीं है तो फिर क्या तुम बैठे गलतियां गिन रहे हो, इंसान ही चला गया यार लाइफ से. तो जस्ट इसलिए उस चीज से बस एक सुकून आई वुड से आ जाना चाहिए आपके माइंड में. कभी थे और जब थे तब वो पल बहुत अच्छे थे. और नेगेटिविटी क्यों रखनी है, या नेगेटिविटी क्यों रखनी है लाइफ में, बिना वजह बुरे पल याद करके बेटर है अच्छे पल याद करो और just live them, I would say. Yeah.
How important is self-love to you?
Very, I would say now it's very important. So I have read quite a few things about self-love, and even when I talk self-love in the terms of spirituality, I would say अगर खुद से प्यार नहीं है तो कुछ भी नहीं है. मतलब you have to love your own self to achieve everything in your life, whether it's in the term of career, money, love, family, whatsoever. If you don't, like there are people of our own age who are billionaires also. मतलब हम यहाँ पे बैठे हैं, ठीक है, और वो वहां पे बैठे हैं. Why? Because ठीक है, टैलेंट तो हम में भी है, सब में बराबर का कुछ ना कुछ किसी चीज का टैलेंट होता है, सबकी कैपेसिटी बहुत ज्यादा होती है, बट दे फील दे डिजर्व इट. They inside their head they know that they deserve all this, they do it. So self love is very important. You have to put yourself on the pedestal a lot. Stop putting other people on the pedestal, whether it's your other, like say your significant other or your career or money or whosoever. उनको पेडेस्टल पे मत खड़ाओ, खुद को पेडेस्टल पे खड़े हो जाओ, and it's like they will come to you because you deserve it, because you're there on that position that you're going to get it.
True.
So that's when everything starts working. Even if we talk about law of attraction, even if we talk about any kind of healing thing, whether it's about angel healing therapy, EFT or balancing of chakras, anything, any kind of therapy, सबसे पहला lesson हर चीज का ये होता है, which is about self love, which is about loving your own self. If you will not feel the love to yourself, nobody can give you love. So
True.
Very important, I would say.
Very true.
So I would say I would like to suggest one thing here, which is I would say मेरे लिए बहुत beneficial हुआ है. Affirmations होती हैं. I don't know if you're aware about
little bit.
Affirmations,
like when you repeat the same thing again and again, and that actually becomes reality.
Yeah. रियलिटी नहीं होता, ऐसा होता है एफर्मेशंस आर सर्टेन फ्रेजेस, कुछ भी
हम्म,
फ्रेजेस आपके अपने कंफर्ट के अकॉर्डिंग हो सकते हैं, कुछ भी है, उनसे क्या होता है व्हेन यू स्टार्ट रिपीटिंग इट अगेन एंड अगेन, इट्स नॉट अबाउट दे बिकमिंग द रियलिटी,
ओके,
इट्स अबाउट वो आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में इनग्रेन्ड हो जाती है।
गॉट इट,
और जब आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में इनग्रेन्ड हो जाती है, आपका बिहेवियर पैटर्न बदल जाता है आपके। सो सबकॉन्शियस माइंड इज बेसिकली, अच्छा एक बहुत नॉर्मल एग्जांपल देती हूँ। कभी कभी क्या होता है, हमने रोज 6 बजे उठना है और हमारा अलार्म लगा हुआ है, तो 10 दिन हम अलार्म से उठते हैं, 11वें 12वें 13वें दिन ऐसा होता है ना, खुद जाग आने लग जाती है,
या
6 बजे हम खुद उठने लग जाते हैं। अगर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को पता लग जाता है भी हमने 6 बजे उठना है, तो वो खुद अपने आप कॉन्शियस माइंड को उठा देता है। तो जब आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में जो मैसेजेस जाते हैं, आपका बिहेवियर और आपका लिविंग पैटर्न, आपके रिएक्शंस और सब कुछ उस अकॉर्डिंग से चल, आप कॉन्शियस माइंड उस अकॉर्डिंग चलने लग जाता है।
एक्चुअली
हाँ, सो
मुझे पता नहीं था, I've actually been practicing it from a very long time now. मुझे अभी टर्म
ओके,
पता लगे कि दिस इज द टर्म, लेकिन I've been practicing it for
या
very long.
एफर्मेशंस बहुत ब्यूटीफुल चीज है और बहुत पावरफुल है। पता है, जितना आई हैव रेड अबाउट इट,
हम्म,
एफर्मेशन इज समथिंग व्हिच plays with your subconscious mind a lot, and it is
हम्म,
related to science also. When you start studying about quantum physics now, your
yeah,
subconscious mind is actually related to all that, your consciousness,
हम्म,
that particles in your brain, I would say. So
हम्म,
it is all related to science also. Affirmations
yeah,
are very important, and if it starts, you start believing it, and when you start
yeah,
believing it, you get it. That is the thing, you have to believe in yourself, you have to believe in your statement. और कुछ
हम्म,
चीज हम बारी बारी बोलते हैं ना, पता है एक
हम्म,
चीज हम ना, ये बहुत नेगेटिव सी बात है, बट ये
हम्म,
एग्जाम्पल बहुत अच्छा है। मेरे पापा ये चीज बोलते हैं
हम्म,
भी, मतलब हमने अपने बड़ों से सुना ही होगा, जब
हम्म,
कोई इंसान झूठ बहुत ज्यादा बोलने लग जाता है ना, वो झूठ ही उसको सच लगने लग जाता है,
हाँ,
और फिर वो वैसा ही होता रहता है।
yeah,
तो ये क्या होता है, जब आप, मैं ये नहीं बोल रही झूठ बोले जाओ, दिस इज टू मेक योर ओन सेल्फ बेटर ओनली, दैट आई
हम्म,
स्टार्ट लविंग माई सेल्फ मोर एंड मोर। When
हम्म,
you say this statement again and again, you will start loving yourself more and more every day.
yeah.
So it's about your subconscious mind giving messages to your conscious mind, and then you live your life like that. You will react to situations like that.
पलक, बात करते हैं अभी जुम्बा की. So as I mentioned earlier, you are a certified Zumba instructor. How did that
Yeah.
happen? मतलब I know that you always like to dance, लेकिन जुम्बा का कीड़ा कब से आया?
ये मैं जो डांस स्टूडियो जाती हूँ ना, गौतम सर के पास, एक्सटेसी,
हम्म,
तो जुम्बा, आई यूज्ड टू टेक फ्यूजन क्लासेस। where they used to teach us Zumba for 2 days a week, 2 days Bollywood, and one day belly dancing. It used to be like that. I used to love Zumba, like really love Zumba. So what is about Zumba is there are categories. There are Zes, ZES, and then
okay,
there are Zen.
okay,
So Zen are someone like me, like I have taken the training.
हम्म,
Zes are someone who give training. So when
okay,
Gautam sir got the license for Zest, he
हम्म,
actually had a talk with me, and I was like, I loved dancing, and I never
हम्म,
thought of taking it professional or anything. But
हाँ,
then I was free, and I wanted to go deep into it, learn it more,
हम्म,
in a more sense of way. And very
हम्म,
honestly, I had it in my bucket list to have a professional training of any two dance
okay,
forms. I had it in my bucket list.
हाँ,
So that's why I took the training. And then obviously to all Gautam sir, I would say thank you to him only. So it was all that he taught me about it. He actually, taught me all the benefits. Then I took
हम्म,
the training. Then I had like on and off internships also.
हम्म,
Then I got more into salsa. So now अभी मैं zumba मेरे को थोड़ा time हो गया करे वो. So I was getting
हाँ,
more into salsa and bachata. So yeah.
okay, amazing. तो अगर जैसे कंप्लीट बिगिनर है मेरे जैसा जिसको बिल्कुल डांस नहीं आता एंड आई वांट टू लर्न, मतलब एक ऐसा स्किल है जो मुझे बिल्ड करना है लेकिन मुझे बिल्कुल डांस नहीं आता, तो इज इट पॉसिबल फॉर समवन लाइक मी जिसको अपनी बॉडी मूव करनी आती नहीं है बिल्कुल भी, कोई एक प्रेजेंटेबल तरीके तक डांस कर पाऊंगा?
मैं अभी अभी ना एक बात और बोलूंगी, फिर इस चीज का आंसर दूंगी. यू यूज द वर्ड जिसको अपनी बॉडी बिल्कुल मूव करनी आती नहीं है, जो कर ही नहीं
हाँ
पाता, जो बिल्कुल बिगिनर है.
हाँ.
I was talking about spirituality. पता है क्या? And affirmations and everything. Your words are very important.
ओह
जिसको मेरे को करनी
नाइस.
आती ही नहीं है. You're like, मैं सीखना चाहता हूँ, मैं कर लूंगा.
हम्म.
मैं जब सीखने जाऊंगा, ठीक है, मेरे को 6 महीने लगेंगे, बट मैं कर
हाँ
लूंगा. ऐसा नहीं भी मेरे से होता ही नहीं है, मेरे को बिल्कुल आता ही नहीं है, मैं
हाँ
कर ही नहीं पाता, विच इज सच अ नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट कि मैं
हाँ.
कर ही नहीं पाता. बट
थैंक्स
मैं
फॉर पॉइंटिंग
कर
इट आउट.
पाऊंगा.
हाँ.
या सो योर वर्ड्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
हम्म.
तो वही एनर्जीज बिल्ड हो जाती है. फिर जब व्हेन यू स्टार्ट गोइंग डूइंग इट ना, यही यार मैं
हम्म.
कर ही नहीं पाता, मैं तो ट्राई करने जा रहा हूँ, मैं तो कभी नहीं कर पाता, वहां जाके सर से भी ऐसी ही बात होगी, मैं तो कर ही नहीं पाता, मैं ट्राई करने आया हूँ. वो
हाँ.
सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में इतना इनग्रेन्ड हो जाता है कि वहां पे हो ही नहीं पाएगा. एंड देन यू विल
ओके.
क्विट ऑटोमेटिकली. सो व्हेन यू विल बी लाइक, मैं कर पाऊंगा, ठीक है सर, मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ, मैं कर पाऊंगा, मेरे को टाइम लगेगा. तो
हम्म.
एक कितना पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड से यू विल
या.
गो एंड लर्न इट ना, यू विल नॉट लूज द थिंग. तो हाँ,
राइट.
अगर बिगनर के लिए है, so
हाँ.
it's like I would say, then also it's all in your head, it's all about your own beliefs. You can learn
हम्म.
any dance form. Everything takes a lot of practice. I am not perfect. There are
हम्म.
much bigger dance, like perfect dancer,
हम्म.
even in my own class, I would say.
हम्म.
So everything takes practice and everything takes time. Once you start learning it, you'll
ओके.
get a hang of it, and it's so beautiful. It's such like addiction, and
या.
very honestly, dance is something you can flaunt, like, I dance and
एग्जैक्टली.
everything, so you
या.
get very positive about yourself, very
हाँ
confident about
हाँ
yourself.
हाँ.
I'll tell you,
हम्म.
when I used to go for salsa and bachata, two
हम्म.
doctors used to come.
ओके.
They're still taking Zoom class. They are
ओके.
aged. They have a kid, and
ओके.
they're doctors. They were like completely non-dancer, and
हम्म.
now just we can just like we are like, oh, when they dance, they are like
हाँ
so pretty. They look so pretty dancing,
हाँ.
and they are doing salsa on the top of that, not like normal freestyle
या.
dancing. They're learning salsa, and now they're so good at it.
वाह.
So it's all in your head. One is neurosurgeon, and
हम्म.
other I don't know, but they both are doctors.
Amazing. Yeah, I'll
Yeah.
definitely
So
start learning dance because the thing is, I love to dance. Actually, I love to dance and I dance a lot, but I don't look good while dancing. So I need to work on that.
you will you'll you'll look good. I remember when I took first class of bhangra, I was like, I can't dance
Uh,
bhangra, I can't do it. I
uh,
look so funny, I'm not going to do it, what is this? And I
uh,
used to crib so much to my teachers, no, to Aditya sir, I don't want to do bhangra. Now
uh,
it's like meko jab marzi bhangra karwa lo. So it's
wow.
like it takes time to get
Yeah.
a hang of it, for
Yeah.
your body to build that posture also.
Hmm.
So it takes time. And dancing is the, I would say, dance, you would love to see a person who is dancing and not thinking about anything. हमेशा
Yeah.
नजर उसकी तरफ जाएगी जो
Yeah.
बहुत enjoy करके डांस करे.
True.
तो dancing
True.
is something to enjoy.
Yeah.
So I would say to enjoy it.
Yeah. Perfect. Perfect.
So yeah.
So I know you read a lot. You read a lot, and I want to ask you what kind of books do you like to read, and if there are any recommendations.
I read love stories a lot.
Okay.
पहले बात तो,
Uh,
because I write in that genre also a
yeah.
lot.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, other than love stories, I love reading about paranormal stuff. I just
Oh.
completely love it when there are parallel universe, and then there are.
Uh,
I have learned so much from the books. There are so many different characters which I
hmm.
can't even think of. Like, there is so much. I love reading paranormal a lot. I read it a lot. So and paranormal is not like वो सिर्फ vampires or
Hmm.
werewolves वाला जो TV वैसा नहीं. It's
I get it.
basically angels, and then there are
Yeah.
necromancers, which are angel and the mixed bloods. Then there is about stars, there is about cosmic energies, उस sort of वो zone में. So
Okay.
I love it. And other than अभी मैंने थोड़ी सी वो भी पढ़नी स्टार्ट करी है पिछले साल से ही नॉन फिक्शन, तो अब अच्छी लग रही है पढ़नी क्योंकि अब थोड़ा आई एम गेटिंग इन दैट जोन.
Yeah.
So now I love reading about that also. And I keep on reading spirituality पे भी. अगर इस जैसे there are a lot of books, जैसे जो
Yeah.
techniques मैंने बताई उन पे theoretical material भी बहुत मिल जाएगा आपको, बहुत books हैं. So I always prefer to read it than hear it, like you know, to see videos. I prefer reading it, so I read those kind of books also.
Okay.
So लव स्टोरीज ऑल टुगेदर बहुत पॉजिटिव होती हैं, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है. अगर आपको जैसे यू नो, आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन अ पर्सन टू बिलीव इन फेरी टेल्स एंड एवरीथिंग. इट टेक्स यू इन अ वेरी पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट. सो जब भी मेरा मूड बहुत खराब होता है ना, मेरी 3-4 बहुत फेवरेट बुक्स हैं. आई ऑलवेज गो बैक टू देम एंड रीड देम एंड आई फील सो हैप्पी. इट्स लाइक ऑल मैजिकल. So when you start feeling that, you change your energy, now you start feeling magic. It actually happens in your life. You get all positive and everything. So no matter how much I read, no matter how much I explore, it's very cliche, but I do go back to love stories, and that too cliche ones. So that is my guilty pleasure. So if I would say recommendation, I love Colin Hoover a lot.
Okay.
Like she is someone I love. I wait for her. Like for her every book. Like अभी उसकी जुलाई में रिलीज होनी है 9 जुलाई को बुक, और मेरे को ये फटाफट 9 जुलाई आए, फिर मैं एक ही रात में बुक खत्म कर लूंगी, और मेरी 6 महीने की फिर मैं टाइम लाइक स्टेट खत्म भी हो गई. So कॉलिन होवर है, जेरी ली के है, एना टॉड है. And when it comes to paranormal stuff, there is Wendy Higgins, Jennifer Armentrout, which I love.
You talked about like reading a lot of love stories, so that brings me to my next question. Do you believe in the concept of soulmates?
Yeah, totally. Soulmates, twin flame energies, everything.
All right.
I'll tell you one very interesting fact about soulmates. What I have read. Soulmates are someone which can come in any form. It's not really a romantic relationship. It could be in form of anything, your friend, or often we use the term soul sister also, na?
Yeah.
Hashtag soul sister.
Yeah.
So that is not really hashtag or trend. Soulmate can come in any form in your life, any form. So बट जितना भी मैंने पढ़ा है ना, जितना भी मैंने रिसर्च किया, मैंने हमेशा ये बात पढ़ी है कि सोलमेट सिर्फ एक पर्पस के लिए आते हैं, आपको कुछ सिखाने के लिए आते हैं लाइफ में, एंड देन दे हैव टू लीव.
ओके.
एंड देन दे डू लीव. एंड जो हम ऑफन कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं, पता मैं एक बात बोलूं, ये सारा जब अपलोड हो जाएगा ना, लोगों ने ना मुझे तांत्रिक वगैरह डिक्लेयर कर देना, जितना मैं बोल रही हूँ चीजों के बारे में.
Let them think whatever they want to think.
There is another concept which is called twin flames.
Okay.
With twin flames is actually I would say related to romantic relationship only. Twin flames is actually, so Greek mythology mein there was this thing that two people, one person was born, but one person, how that person was born, जैसे दो इंसान. जैसे there is you and there is other person joined with the common one heart, which is joined.
Okay.
And he was said to be very powerful. So I don't know the complete story because it is बहुत अलग-अलग चीजें लिखी होती हैं लोगों ने, तो ऐसे मुझे पक्का सा नहीं पता क्या है, बट जितना मैंने पढ़ा है भी ऐसे एक there was this person and then it मतलब कुछ gods ने ये चीज जैसे rebels हो जाते हैं ना, teams divided. There were some people, there were some gods which were like he will be too powerful and everything. So what they did was, और कुछ ऐसा scenario हो गया था that ये चीज हो गई भी, they have to cut the person in 2 parts.
Okay.
And the heart god, which this is a very बहुत fictional story लगती है, but हाँ Greek mythology में बहुत इसका जिक्र हुआ है. तो मतलब the heart god sliced into 2 parts, so that is what is twin flame, your other half.
All right.
Which we often term as romantic relationship, जो हम soulmate often बोल देते हैं, but it is actually your twin flame.
Okay.
Which is meant to be there with you, with whom कभी हम ये बहुत क्लिशे लाइन यूज करते हैं ना, मतलब अपने मोस्टली loved one को message लिख रहे हो बोल रहे हो like you complete me. So
Yeah.
it actually have came from that thing only that this thing happened. Greek mythology में ये सब है. तो I am a big fan of Greek mythology. तो मैंने काफी पढ़ी हुई है तो इसलिए.
Where do you see yourself 5 years down the line?
5 years down the line, I am not going to talk about my business. I would say I obviously wanted to see doing, but I really want to help people to be more self-aware about them. I really want to, I really want them to realize how powerful they are. And achieve if they just change their thoughts, if they just change the viewpoint about themselves. I really want to do that, and I have changed. I have seen so many positive changes in myself that I don't want to keep it to myself. I think it would be too selfish to keep it to myself. So I want to help people, like really help them, like just like literally, yeah, where they would be like, yeah, we love ourselves and we deserve everything, and actually getting all they do get all the things in their lives. So I really want to help people. So 5 years down the lane, 1 year, 2 year, 10 years, I really don't care about time. Till the time I am here, living here, I just want to help people to just
Beautiful.
Be at their best.
Amazing. So thank you so much, Palak, for being a part of this, for इतना टाइम निकालने के लिए thank you. और अभी एक बार मैं पूछना चाहूंगा कि आज बात करके कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा, because I'll be very honest, I messaged him first about this. I don't know what this was going on, and I'll be very honest, मैंने वीडियो छोटी सी किसी का क्लिप देखा था and I really found it very interesting. I had a talk about you with a common friend, Kashish.
Yeah.
So I was like, he has started a channel and I'm really liking the content and everything. So I really wanted to talk about spirituality. I would say I don't want to start a YouTube channel. I am just not like really fond of it going on like Instagram or saying, because I'm 99% of the time मेरे को बहुत non-serious way में ले जाते हैं सब. तो मुझे ये था, I really wanted to talk about spirituality more than depression, more than my own story. I really wanted to talk about, to just make people aware about these things, and that is why I actually told you that I want to talk. Now that I've talked about it, it was such a easy flowing and nice conversation. I told you I was very nervous in the beginning, but I guess how the time passed and how topics after topics came, I never realized it. So I would say thank you to you that I have finally talked about all this thing, because I'm very shy about all this knowledge. I don't know why, but yeah. So thank you.
It was a wonderful conversation and I learned a lot, especially spirituality के बारे में एक अलग पर्सपेक्टिव आज सुनने को मिला. काफी ऐसे टर्म्स है जो मैंने कभी सुने नहीं थे, and I'll definitely go through them, and I'm sure जो लोग ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं उनको बहुत फायदा होगा. And एक बार प्लीज सब्सक्राइबर्स के लिए अपील कर दे.
Please subscribe to his channel, guys. हो सकता है नेक्स्ट, मतलब अभी तो हम ये अपने दोस्तों को ले रहे हैं, ठीक है, उसके बाद he will get more and more good people, and it's just help your friends when they are starting the channel. I feel rather than वो कैरी मिनाटी, वैसे मैंने उसकी एक भी वीडियो नहीं देखी है, मैंने मीम्स में उसको पढ़ा है. ऐसे लोगों को सब्सक्राइब, और मेकअप वीडियोस के लिए हम सब्सक्राइब कर देते हैं सब कुछ, तो we should really subscribe एटलीस्ट अपने फ्रेंड्स को लेके. So yeah, just subscribe to his channel. I like his videos, and I really want to wish you all the luck in the thing you're doing, because I really like that. Because it's a very easy flowing conversation, so I really want to wish you luck. But I hope you get all the success in these.
Thank you so much, Palak. It was really nice talking to you. मिलते हैं अभी, लॉकडाउन खत्म होता है, and you definitely need to teach me Bhangra. मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं
Bhangra. Done, spotted. I love salsa more though, but Bhangra always.
अरे I learn everything, लेकिन start Bhangra से करूँगा. मुझे वो सीखना है, बहुत मन करता है. मैं जो लास्ट पॉडकास्ट भी रिकॉर्ड कर रहा था गुरजोत के साथ की थी, तो उसमें गुरजोत भी बार बार बोल रहा था